Hello, I saw your question here on the email. You want to rearrange this formula here. They mentioned using the distributive property to isolate n. So here's the formula. They want you to use the distributive property, which means to drop the parentheses. When you drop the parentheses, you multiply each item in the parentheses by what's outside the parentheses. In this case, that would be p. And so you multiply p times each item in the parentheses. So p times 1 would be p, and p times ni would be p ni. And so I've used the distributive property, multiply each item in here. 1 times p is just 1p or p, and then p times ni. Now we want to get n by itself, so you have to get rid of this p, and the way you do that is you subtract p from each side. And so that would give you a minus p equals p n I. So you subtract, subtract p from each side, and so it'd be just a minus p here. This would be 0. It'd be p n I. You want to get n by itself. This is multiplication, and so you have to do the opposite. You have to divide each side by pi. So if I divide each side by what I'm wanting to get rid of, pi, the p's cancel and the i's cancel, and just left with n here. And here's the answer. N would equal a minus p all over. Make the division line long, all over pi. Hope this helps.